You might have been wondering where I've been, or what my channel's all about, or who I even am. Well, I've kind of been wondering the same thing lately. For as long as I can remember, my identity has been tied to someone else, been held back by someone else. I didn't truly have my own voice, or get to express myself the way I really wanted to. I put all my energy and effort into building something that I thought was right for me, but it wasn't. Sometimes things just tarnish. Not everything is meant to last and stand the test of time. But everything we do and everything we experience is a stepping stone that gets us where we are today. You might lose sight of who you are or what you're doing, but trust me, there's always a way back. So after a few months of reflection and soul searching, I'm here to tell you, I'm back.